There you go. I don't know if y'all can see me. It's dark. That's not a black joke, you motherfuckers. But I'm out here at one of the old construction sites I used to go to. It's nighttime. But I'm gonna try, since it's dirt and it's lit, I'm gonna try this little TPU case from iFlight I got off Amazon. If it works pretty well and doesn't bounce around, then I'm gonna get one of the colors that I want, and that's probably gonna be what I use to bash, because the super suits, they're nice, but that plastic does break. So let's put this on my forehead here. Probably won't use this camera for a lot of footage just because it's dark, but we'll see what we get out of it. You can just see in there hitting this recording. Oh, street closed. We'll get a picture of that before we leave. Easy, easy. You know what? You might tighten that down a bit more so you get a good test. My worry is that the aluminum mount paired with the TPU case won't have the bite that I want to keep this from slapping down on jumps. But if it works for, say, just driving around, then I can use it for my hound hollering. At the very least. T-bone bumper. A-okay. Oh shit, what was that? If y'all haven't figured out why I like T-bone racing bumpers yet, you must be watching my videos. That one broke it though. Warranty time. Damn, that hit hard. Whatever that was, we're gonna go watch the footage and see what that was that I hit. But since it's just the bumper right now, we're gonna call it a day and go ahead and order another one. And that's the battery too. How you gonna break the bumper right at the end of the battery?